Let's talk about availability in this video. Availability is basically ability of the system to be operational and accessible. So if a system is operational and accessible, then we'll say that the system is available or the system is up. So if the system is not accessible or operational, then we'll say that the system is not available, or we'll say that the system is down. Okay, the system could be down for a number of reasons, and some of them may include things like, failure in the system itself. So there are some issues in the system is not available. There could be other reasons where we have, planned this downtime for things like, upgrading software or hardware components, or for other maintenance work, we might bring down the system. So that is actually scheduled downtime. Okay, so that will also affect the availability of the system. So the availability is generally measured in percentage. So this is actually ratio between uptime over the overall time. So if we take, say, 100 days as an example, if the system is available for 99 days and it is down for 1 day, then we'll say that the system was available for 99%, or the availability of the system is 99%. Okay, so there is something called high availability, which refers to the fact that the system is available for really high percentage. So if the system is available for 99.9%, for example, we could call that system as highly available system. And normally high availability is achieved using redundancy. So if we take this as an example, we have this system and it has two nodes. Okay, so two nodes processing the same thing, and we have load balancer to distribute the traffic to the backend. So even if one of these nodes are down, the other node will still be able to serve the requests which are incoming. So this will provide high availability. And similarly, if you take this as an example, we have some sort of message processing system, and this is the message queue. And because we have two nodes processing the message from the same queue, even if one of them goes down, we'll still be able to process these messages, maybe at a slower rate, but we'll still be able to process these messages. So the system is still available. So these kind of setups, where we have multiple nodes to make sure the downtime is very less, are called high availability system. Okay, so here are some of the common high availability percentages. So I just added this to provide perspective in terms of a day. So for example, when we say a system is available for 99%, then we are saying that the system could be down for around 15 minutes in a day. Okay, and similarly, if it is 99.9%, then we are saying that about 2 minutes the system could be down in a day. And for 99.95, this is going to be nearly 44 seconds a day. And for 99.99, the system could be down only for roughly 9 seconds in a day. Okay, so that is what these percentages mean. So you can see that there are huge difference between 99 and 99.99. So we are talking about huge difference here. So when it is 99%, the system could be down for about 15 minutes a day. But if it is 99.99, then the system could only be down for 9 seconds a day. So that is a huge difference. So there are a couple of other things that we wanted to cover when we talk about availability. They are reliability and fault tolerance. People often confuse reliability and fault tolerance with availability. Although they are related, they are not the same. Okay, when we say reliability, we are talking about ability of the system to run without any failure for a longer period of time. So this is not measure of whether the system is available or not. This is a measure of how good the system is, how long it runs without any failure. So that is what the reliability refers to. And fault tolerance refers to the ability of the system to continue to work even if there are any component failures. So in this case, for example, we are achieving high availability using the redundancy. And we could say that this system is also fault tolerant, because even if one of these nodes goes down, the system will continue to work, right? So that is what fault tolerance means. Even if one or more components of the system fails, the overall system will continue to work, maybe with a degraded performance, but that's okay, because at least the system is in a available state, as in the system can be accessible and its features can be used. So that is what fault tolerance means. Okay, I hope this is useful. Thank you.